The Waterdrop TSA 8-layer under-sink water filter system offers comprehensive filtration with its 8-stage process, ensuring the removal of contaminants like PFAS, PFOA, chlorine, and heavy metals. Recommended by National Geographic, this compact and easy-to-install system fits neatly under most sinks, making it a convenient choice for any kitchen setup. Constructed with durable, age-resistant, and freeze-resistant materials, the filter system has passed rigorous pressure and pulse tests, providing peace of mind against leaks and cracks. An upgraded filtration area enhances the system's dirt adhesion capabilities, significantly reducing the risk of clogging and maintaining optimal performance. With filters lasting up to 18 months, the Waterdrop TSA offers a long-term, low-maintenance solution for clean and healthy water. The system features an innovative push-to-connect fitting and twist and lock design, allowing for a quick 3-minute installation and effortless 3-second filter replacements.